Hi everyone, welcome to Zagros YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Basic Attention Token BAT. Please subscribe our channel to see more videos about cryptocurrencies. What is a Basic Attention BAT token? Basic Attention token was created by the co-founder of Mozilla and Firefox, Brendan Eich, in an effort to improve the security, fairness, and efficiency of digital advertising through the use of blockchain technology. It is the native token of the Brave web browser and is built on top of Ethereum. BAT's white paper is dated January 7, 2018. As of 2020, the project is still being developed, although a beta version of the Brave browser is available for download. As blockchain and digital currencies continue to proliferate, companies have sought new ways to apply this innovative technology to older problems and issues, such as web browsing and web-based advertising. Understanding the Basic Attention Token. The Basic Attention Token BAT utilizes the Ethereum blockchain and a specialized web browser known as Brave. The BAT token is used as a currency on the Brave platform and can obtain several different advertising services. It is designed to be exchanged between users, advertisers, and publishers, and it is based on an unusual concept, although one that is critically important to advertising companies operating in the digital age: user attention. The creators of BAT are seeking to improve the way that advertising is conducted in the digital age. There are current trends as disadvantaging users, publishers, and advertisers alike. Users are inundated with ads and trackers, and they are subjected to malware that is increasingly aggressive and powerful. Brave and privacy-centered browsing. BAT is the native token for the Brave browser, an open-source, privacy-centered browser designed to block trackers, invasive cookies, and malware. It utilizes blockchain technology to anonymously and securely track user attention, which translates into rewards for publishers. A user's attention, meaning their focused mental engagement on digital content like advertisements, is logged through Brave. The makers of BAT indicate that the user's private data and tracking information is stored only on the user's device, ensuring that it is anonymous and private. Zero commission on your favorite stock CFDs. As an established boutique broker, ETX Capital is built on putting clients first. From an award-winning Trader Pro platform to cutting-edge market analysis, you're empowered to take your trades to the next level. And now with zero commission on the most popular stock CFDs, including Apple, Amazon, trading your favorite markets just got easier. 74% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider.